should have said this right at the start, really. What's your personal sort of bio on all this stuff? Because, of course, when people out of journalism and media cover technology and the intersection of that with politics, people go, well, they don't really know what they're talking about. They're generalists because they come out of journalism. What's your background? Because it's quite particular.
I studied mechanical engineering at MIT for undergrad, and I went and worked in Silicon Valley because that's what I thought I wanted to do. I lasted a year before I realized it was absolutely not what I wanted to do. And then I went into journalism. And the reason why I had such a visceral reaction against Silicon Valley is because I was quite interested in sustainability and how to mitigate climate change. And the why I went to study engineering in the first place was I thought that technology could be a great tool for social change and shaping consumer behaviors to prevent us from planetary disaster. And I realized that Silicon Valley's technology incentive structures for producing technology were not actually leading us to develop technologies in the public interest. And in fact, most often it was leading to technologies that were eroding the public interest. And the problems like mitigation of climate change that I was interested in were not profitable problems. But that is ultimately what Silicon Valley builds. They want to build profitable technologies. And so it just seemed to me that it didn't really make sense to try and continue doing what I wanted to do within a structure that didn't reward that.
Yeah.
And then I thought, well, I've always liked writing. Maybe I can use writing as a tool for social change. So